We are here at F5 Tower. It's actually my first time at F5 Tower, so I wanted to show you a couple of things that I found. For some of our employees out there, you'll get an opportunity, hopefully, to visit the tower at some point. And for our customers and partners, there's opportunities through things like Aspire and CEC events where you might be visiting the tower as well. So we've got a beautiful lobby here, and you can see playing on the displays over here are a Force 4 messaging. And everybody's a force for something. Personally, and I've mentioned this before on my LinkedIn and my personal profiles, is that I'm a force for family. So I'm a force for my own family and what it takes to protect them, to nurture them, and to provide for them as well. So we'd love to hear what everybody else is a force for. Otherwise, we're gonna head upstairs and check out the first little feature here. Hey everyone, we are on the 33rd floor. Here we've actually got my good buddy Aubrey.
Just came down to get a coffee. How you doing, Boo?
Not bad. How you doing, man?
Great, man. Good to see you. This spot was pretty special to me. I love this place because it's a spot where people can come together, right? It's a real easy place where when we connect elevator banks, like we've got one elevator bank here and then one elevator bank up on the next floor over, where people can actually get together, take a break, have a coffee, have a snack, and the two are connected by a really nice picturesque staircase where I've actually seen Francois take a couple of really ad hoc conversations with the employees, and everyone can gather here, eat, and be kind of as one. Hey, all right.
So we found this little corner here on our exploration of this floor. We're still on the 33rd floor, actually behind the cafe, and we've got a couple pinball machines here. This arcade machine, Pac-Man machine, and PlayStation and Xbox stuff here, as well as a whole bunch of board games that you can play as well. So
that's right, we go analog too.
Nice place to relax.
I'm gonna play some pinball.
All right, so one more thing we found is up here on the 48th floor is the CEC, or Customer Engagement Center. So as a customer or sometimes partners, you might actually be coming here to learn more about your F5 products and meet with product managers and executives as well. We got some cool stuff up here, this video wall, video table, and we're actually higher up than the Space Needle. So this is a really interesting perspective of Seattle.
For me, it's just about the view up here. I mean, the view is absolutely unmatched in this building, and it can't be anything other than inspiring for our customers and our employees.
Really cool spot. So thanks for joining us on these 3 things that we found in the F5 Tower today. Otherwise, we will see everybody next time.
Thanks. Have a great F5 day.